big Nuffy for me now. So good Nuffy. Wanna tag him for me now? Higher than, even if your account higher than my one, you know more than me to work. You sleep and wake in the morning and piece and shit like me. So good no mum. Please put it. Uncle Alkaline alone. This magic I'm glad get way. Cut.
Alright, you see what you must say? Yo, you see Matterhorn is a done spot? The man I go say only Alkaline style him and get way. And we know that a lie because we know say enough style in Matterhorn get him. Never shoot nobody yet. I be a cuss and run off him mouth and talk about him lice gun. See, and that's why them take it away from him at Jamaica because him and Ricky Trooper. Notice the whole of them were group up, man, and they are alike. Just like how the energy, when I tell you, energy attract energy, you see me? Oi! Yeah, my people, big up on yourself on the Sunday evening, you see me? Yeah, man, so we see some little old grasmite skirmish and mess up the Sunday. In Jamaica's Lord's Day, and even though the Sabbath we recognize Saturday as being holy, we know say the majority of Jamaica say Sunday for God, you see me? So majority rules, see? But we not really go with them. So guess what go on now? Well, they have to fix a grasmite whole skirmish, yeah. This big failure, yeah. Just like footer hype, them are swimming at the same pan. Crocodile nyam dead meat in a swamp. The whole of them are some dead meat in a swamp. The whole of them are try look some flesh for tear. Because remember, you know, the serpent gone left them, you know. And Vybz Kartel and the Gaza never get for rat in a prison for them. Drunk get for tear them flesh apart, you know. So guess what go on now? We are going to come fix the dirty drunk them. And one of them, a Matterhorn Maggi. You see me? People say him love the transmission them. So him not have no right for you call nobody fish or nothing. You see me I say? Yeah, cause him a one of them. Alright, so make we hear what him a say, cause we just have beat him bad and go through, you know. You see me? Murderers. Make sure to check out my video, the full review of the #1 lyrical, most dangerous lyrics ever in the history of music. Go check out that video there. The #1 most dangerous lyrics in the music history. Then, yeah man, go look upon that video there. No joke. Whole heap of copyright strike they upon it, but me get rid of them, edit it up and clear it up. You see me? It kind of take away some of the value from the review, but nonetheless, trust me, the best things are still there. You see it? And you can see the sense, even though YouTube never make it slide with all of the things that I want to upload in there. But nonetheless, everything has been sorted out now. So you can go watch that video there in its full entirety. Then, yeah, make a comment. Show me, uno tell me you are the #1 line or the most lyrical line, right? And we just talk about one line, you know. One line where have to make sense. So you can't come with a multiple line and I talk about so Nigeria or so Reka. We are talking about one line. The smaller the line is and the more sense it make is the sharper it is. You see what I say? Yeah, so but no now go find no line, no lyrical bar for test that one day. The most dangerous one when I upload. So make we beat the whole grasmite alien skirmisher to sickness and correct him.
Wanna talk big Nuffy for me now? So good Nuffy. Wanna tag him for me now? Higher than, even if your account higher than my one, you know more than me to work. You sleep and wake in the morning and piece and shit like me. So good no mum. See somebody.
Alright, so guess what? I know this is how it starts, you know. We are showing where it starts from, you know. But if you notice the two disrespect them, Zine, if you notice the two disrespect, you can tell who is hurt. And the first one who threw the attack is the one that is hurt. Because if you listen to the second response by the defendant, 1Mc Nuffy, he might make it clear, say, yo, you know more than me, the whole way I have to get up and do the same thing, use bathroom and rivalry. So Nuffy now, you know, him not get either himself. Him still humble and a show Matterhorn. Who Matterhorn is below par because Matterhorn has suffer him not yam no food. The whole of them upset through Vybz Kartel, rich and I get millions and 2 million US a show, right? We know say it burn them inside because I be a bad mind in the music business. And all of the of them who in the business before Kartel, them especially hurt the most because the man say, oh, that boy you come rise over me, and trust me, I know my Jamaican fellowship them, fellow citizen them, you see me? Bad mind, them no want to see you do better than them. I will sing that Javilani. Them no want you do better than them. You get me? Javilani said that for sure. You seal it, seal. You see it? So you can see, say, MC Nuffy, not really, you know, MC Nuffy the same way. Him not really disrespect Matterhorn, but him a show Matterhorn say, yo, you know more than nobody. So all when you feel like you're there in the world first and before the man them, seeing that no make you indestructible, that no make you smart, cause you dunce Matterhorn. Remember Matterhorn them a come from the dunce days to like bounty them, you know, you see me? Yeah man, the dunce days, no education, and them talk the loudest. I feel like so them can style people with them brain and them education. You see me I say? Yeah. So I just want to point that out.
Put it, Uncle Alkaline alone, this magic and clot get way. Cut.
Alright, you see what I must say? Yo, you see say Matterhorn is a done spot? The man I go say only Alkaline style him and get way. And we know that a lie because we know say enough style in Matterhorn get him. Never shoot nobody yet. I be a cuss him cuss and run off him mouth and talk about him lice gun. See, and that's why them take it away from him at Jamaica, because him and Ricky Trooper. Notice the whole of them were group up, man, and they are alike. Just like how the energy, when I tell you, energy attract energy, you see me? So just like how you see Ricky Trooper come out, bad mind and a this cartel, because him feel like the cartel should have run back at him and come say, yeah, Ricky Trooper, yeah, one a loyal soldier. When all him for do, I just wait him turn humble and bill until the universe bring them together. You see me? Sometimes you just have to bill. Because Ricky Trooper for understand say if Kartel are gonna link him, then that'll make other bad mind people like Ricky Trooper are gonna say, oh, Kartel no link me. I want to hear Ricky Trooper going like say Kartel ban and blood clot foot. And so does this waste man here named Matterhorn, aka the Brokeback Mountain Matterhorn. You see me? Yeah man, the money lick them chip man. And see it when Kartel did in a prison, the whole of them are laugh and happy on the outside and joyful, and you wanna go look back on the video them and them live video when Kartel in a prison, how the whole of them happy and conduct them live. Now them want rise up against the Gaza. I'm notice them see MC Nuffy as a weak fence. You see the people them will have problem with Vybz Kartel, and Nuffy them a try bring out them frustration pan. But them well want hurt Nuffy, you know. Them well want hurt Nuffy because guess what? Them can't hurt Kartel as much as them would have want for hurt Kartel. And guess why I go on now? I'm show you. See through Kartel come out and I say peace and love, and him not care who want hate. You see through other energy that Kartel I work with, it not give them no access for them can pass them place with him. Zin, that's why Massacre forgot downhill, you know, instead of done well, you know. Zin, because him a diss a man when I diss nobody. So you feel the universe I go beat your bumbucklat. All you know want cry, you know, little Gators fans. All the little Gators fans we cry. They must say, yo, from Tommy Lee beat the boy Massacre, and then ShawnStorm go drop the hit scratch, kill the Massacre, you know. I say every morning Massacre cousin wake up on YouTube live. And I cry with the little 90 odd supporters them way him have. And them, yo, I say, them shame. Them shame are the first. But see this, everybody have to talk about them. You see me? Everybody has to. Even the next one we are ball, J.A. Radio, Waste Man Wiz. I could never like that little locust from long time. You see me? Idiot girl clown Wiz. You see me? Man a ball like a bitch to blood clot over Massacre. You see, so them love man? Them love man. Love man. But and then guess what? Them a defense a Massacre for can this a giant who not this nobody. They are okay with that. But when the fire and the judgment forward now, them want ball and want people ease up off a Massacre. Hey, you see also amount of people for sooner road and bust out on the jelly. You see me? Because that is hypocrisy. That is hypocrisy. Look at the most disrespectful thing them the waste boy mosquito go say about about Vybz Kartel. Zin just show him and Tamale a clash. Zin? And then now everybody I talk about all these little bad mind Gaza haters I talk about everybody a fight massacre. Nobody that fight massacre until him go do rubbish. Eh? When somebody do rubbish, them not forget them beaten. For no one said don't do that again. How are they going to learn? Why should somebody do something wrong and everybody should comfort them? That means say nobody now have no problem for do nothing wrong then. Yeah, the people for see say them a get beaten. For sure you say, I saw the devil work, This is how the devil work. It's when people for really get beaten, the same devil them come out and I said, no man, a good youth, Good youth where? Good youth wear and him go wear Vybz Kartel clothes. Vybz Kartel give Massacre him clothes so wear. In Breakfast Club interview clothes so wear. And Massacre wear it in a music video and wear it pan Kartel show. And then less than a week after that, him a this Kartel, the man will take off him clothes off of him own backside and gear for wear. Them boy they for us. You know what that? That's why judgment a reach him and the universe a beat him. I'm too no. Kartel a God, I'm tell you that, you're going like God no beat people. The Bible said God fight against those who fight against me. Whoever me is where God love, God fight against people where dissing people them. So when you see the universe, I beat mosquitoes so every day and every way him go, he might get beaten and so God fight against people. You see me? But I try to protect the evil where God a beat. That's why I get beaten too. You see it? Yeah, so I see them a pick on Nuffy because man all a threaten for box Nuffy and for lick and Nuffy not trouble nobody, Nuffy just a laugh and I enjoy himself and I see the hate them. And I know some people stay around me and run all around uno too if you keep company and friend and follow them. You see me? At the same way, brother, when them bad mind you, them start tell you about licking a face for no reason, no valid reason at all. You see me? Because guess what going on? And that alone can make them feel good. Because you see, through it have burned them inside so much that Vybz Kartel successful and Nuffy there on him. Them know them can't threaten for box ShawnStorm. Them know them can't threaten for box MadSus. So that's why a bag of people like the waste boy, when name Father Corruption Footer Hype. Zin, the Father Corruption twist up mouth Footer Hype. Him are the first one. Him are one of the first one where threatened for hurt Nuffy. For no valid reason. Cause them hurt, Them hurt, so them not go feel good unless them hurt back the weak fence where them think. Because I wouldn't mind if Nuffy blood not murder one of them. You see me? Unalive one of them. Like the year 2025, get unalive. No, 2026. You see me I say? Yeah, I wouldn't mind because you can see the hate in them, Nothing not tell no boy about no badness. Nothing just a laugh and I say, look on them a cuss and a bad mind the guys and when Nuffy say something like that, them a talk about them want box the man and Ray. Make them go and feel like say Nuffy small because a little man like all me will blurt not catch them a road. You know? I'm notice everybody want pick pan Nuffy because of Vybz Kartel vengeance them have where them want take out pan Nuffy. You understand? That because them know say Nuffy is not a violent person. That's why them not disrespect MadSus and tell him about licking her face. Because MadSus are the road, ShawnStorm them are the road. You know what I say? Them can't bring them argument there to them. Them have enough of them see it fit for bring them argument there too. Because I notice say a few people I tell Nuffy about licking her face and Nuffy can't come a road. Now look on that waste money at Brokeback Mountain Matterhorn. Watch me on him blood clot. Cause I see people in the comment that say Matterhorn only drop video when him in him car. Him is no better than what them say about 1Kevin and the Father Corruption, you see me? But as I tell you in a previous video, say a God send 1Kevin for take down Footer Hype, Guess what? You notice, let me show you something. Notice how 1Kevin and Footer Hype look alike. Zin, because Footer Hype I try to tear down the Gaza for about 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 years now, from social media, Zin, plus the years them before social media I try to tear down the Gaza, Zin, from when the Alliance I try to tear down Kartel, Footer Hype I try to tear down the Gaza too, Zin, and it can't work. So in Kartel they are prison, him try the social media thing for tear down and it can't work. You see what I say? So I'm sure you say, you see enough of them just bad mind, brother, and corrupt. You see me? Them corrupt, them corruption, them, brother. You see me? But them shall all go down, all lose. Because as I tell you, say anybody, remember me first telling you say Kartel can't lose, you know, anytime nobody disrespect him, a baiting reach them. And you notice a baiting a reach Massacre from Massacre go disrespect Kartel. From him disrespect Kartel what reach Massacre. Massacre go up and show, go perform, and bring goat pan him and step up on him boat. Then bring out a nanny goat pan him have to run off a stage. What else reach him? Him EP flap. You know, say a beer crosses and judgment to reach him from him this Kartel. And none of them things they never used to reach him. But you know now learn. You see me because him slow, him dunce just like him fans them and him cousin where a fair do YouTube for make money. Because if the mosquito have to look on him family and try bust them and help them. Would never. You see me? About the bad mind, the mosquito, all him good for bite people style. So at that now, the waste man Matterhorn see Massacre getting beaten from the universe and he might try save him. You see me? He might try save him. Why might try save him? Because him don't like the Gaza from morning. And then hear him nah no shame. I run out about alkaline and the hunger person style me and get like I said that is a flex. For say a liquor alkaline style you. And a Tammy Lee make alkaline have to sit down in a plain seat for over 8 hours and afraid to use the bathroom. Afraid to get up for past Tammy Lee to use the bathroom. And a them man they this year. As I say Matterhorn a done spot. But me telling you that from morning. Say I come from them days with Bunty when the music full of uneducated done spot we don't even know if think. Can't even deliver one sentence to make sense. You see me? At them days, they might come out be a done spot, take over the music. A Vybz Kartel are the first person with sense who can sit down and answer question correctly. Are the first artist we have who can give a nice interview, we're intelligent and answer the question them properly. Before Kartel, nobody pan interview never do it. Even though Shawn Paul and Shaggy them bright, them wasn't so entertaining per interview, them boring. No joke. But guess what? You see Jamaica, them feel threatened by people with sense and people with brilliant minds. So me I say that's why them don't spot here try to tear down Kartel. Because it would have want coming like the wasps and the bees. The wasps them don't know how to make the honey. So them war the bees, them hate the bees, them always upset and always a buzz and just a sting people for no reason. While the bees only sting people when it feel threatened or danger, you see me? Yeah, bro, G. So we are going at this still. Because see, enough of them are this the teacher, you know. Whole heap of them will say, all a boy and name Shawn, I get a head of himself. You see me? I don't know why him thing there.
On the talk big Nuffy for me now. So good Nuffy. On the talk him for me now. Higher than, even if your account higher than my one, you know more than me to work. You sleep and wake in the morning and piss and shit like me. So good no mama.
Yeah, man, I love how Nuffy tell him about him mama because him a come tell Nuffy about suckled Nuffy. Or if you call Nuffy suckled, when Nuffy do your fear thing there? Eh? For sure, yeah. So I love how Nuffy send him back up and that mama where must dead to blood clot.
See somebody put it, Uncle Alkaline alone. This magic and clot get where.
Idiot, you be.
Kartel a legend. You see me? You might call him. You see me? But shit, you will fling steel.
You see everybody at this Kartel, you know. Everybody al popcorn coming like him at this Kartel. I say him not no boss. I know say Kartel are the boss. You see me? But we know popcorn still a different thing, but still, you know the energy. Cause you have to smart, you know. If me say like so much people are go against my teacher, me I go make sure be extra careful of when me are saying times like this and the song them when me I release and wait I say. You see, because we want to make sure say it now share the teacher neither like the rest of them either. Yeah.
Nuffy, you want me tell the people them, you go up clot England. Go do the show them. After London, them run where you clot.
Alright, you see that? Rumors him a come with. Because we are going to fix him business. Rumors. But look how Killer run with him blood clot and him can't work back with Killer. The one time Bunty run with a waste money and this is facts. This is not rumors. Because all them talk about Kartel run with Nuffy are rumors. Because through Nuffy, the last time Nuffy play a Kartel show was in England. You see me? They must say Kartel run with Nuffy. Which are for them speculation that. And that them always are used as them weapon for test the Gaza. Just rumors.
Gaza booking. Gaza booking your clock. Me ever did depend on Gaza booking.
Matter boy if him did depend on Gaza bookings. The boy they used to run back a Gaza. You know, so the man go do. The man go play a Gaza song in an alkaline party. You see him? Matterhorn always a try to compete with the Ricky Troop and them. Let me tell you, man, the whole of the sound man them know say a Kartel are them favorite. Kartel is if them know say if them not no Kartel, the people them don't want to hear from them. See? Every sound man, see them know. So no sound man and selector not supposed to have this artist because them run back at the artist, them shit, forget them shit for the blood clot, make them make money. All the waste boy matter and I go on like say him get booking outside and him get bookings inside of the country and outside of the country because of his product. And the man them product you sell the people them and I make your damn food. A Kartel music them make your damn food. Waste man matter on. So we are say why you don't go make your own music and go make and go damn dub plate and make and see if your music them can make you get bookings and go where you say you go. Fucking idiot. Them done so ungrateful. That is the biggest sign of ungratefulness. Because every time, how much years now the selector run back a blood clad DJ and I have to talk nice to them. And I say, yo, DJ Ray, me get dub no. All when them appear the DJ, them still have to talk nice because enough DJ now. You think DJ them want the dub. You know, your people are ball, I say them new youth and a dub thing. You see me? And select a ball. Because them have to feed off of the artists them shit. Who them man? Selectors no go easy and understand on themselves. That's why I say Footer not smart. Cause him they behind film phone screen, I try to tear down artists over the years. And him an artist. If him did smart, him would have got tear down the rest of sound man them for try become the #1 sound man. Like how killer them do it and tear down the whole business. So him and being a man could have thing there. You see me I say? Yeah, brother. But them not smart. Them not learn from the past.
So a recent song preview from the likes of Dancehall star Popcorn.
Them I say a Joshy that go for still, you know, you see me? But yeah man, it's alright. You know, Popcorn style. We used to Popcorn sound, you know, sound like nothing new. But Popcorn still will surprise you with some strange sound every now and then still, you know, like in billionaire status.
But our left fans I wonder who exactly him attack and what him attack about. We don't see where the entertainer clearly established that him own a boss, him own a dad. You see, then I say, yo, them life not even worth a grand and say, yo, some man delusional, my people. You get to me, I say, when we check across social media as to who he might attack, we see several names pop up. You see, that in terms of like the song on Instagram, the preview, we don't see where the likes of Vybz Kartel like the whole thing and all of that, my people. But outside of that, we don't also see where, you know, once I say he may be referring to Joshy and, you know, the speeches where Joshy uttered and Nightly Fix and all of that, the people. But some people may just say, well, you know, him just a sing him song and so forth. You know, but as me say, those are the lyrics and him would have clearly state that some man delusional and him not no boss and no done. I don't know what the interpretation of the whole thing, my people. You get to me, I say. And also, that's where young dancehall artist Shawn is stating that right now at this moment he is currently holding up dancehall as a column, my people. And also, you know, would have some things to say when asked about the contributions of Vybz Kartel and all of that.
Yo, make sure you go watch out my review upon the 2 interview. Me do 2 review upon the 2M interview them. Me do one of the review them upon him interview he conducted on 11 months ago. And I did another review him uploaded yesterday upon him latest interview upon So I'm gonna check it out and learn sense. Cause you gotta see how I point out how him hype and how him make we have to watch him now because him a move just like a mosquito. And the crux them will bite people's style and use them strength for, you know what I mean, establish themselves. And them sign that him a left behind, you see what I say? So I not say him guilty of being like a massacre, you know, but him not conscious of what him say. And it's like the things them we might do is like a sign of that is yet to come.
By Anthony Miller, my people. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and also click the notification bell and check out what he said.
Dancehall right now, you don't even know. You see me, I call him.
You think dancehall can get back on the charts? You think it can get back to where it was like in the 90s? With Shabba and Sean Paul and doing big numbers?
Me alone go do it.
You see, that is a big task he might take up on himself. Now people are going to watch him and people are going to laugh off him. You fuck. Worse if him no get no big accolade or, you know what I mean, make no big accomplishment like what Shabba them make, then people become a laughing stock. That's why it is very great to be humble. And I tell the people them say, go back, go watch Vybz Kartel first interview. How humble the man was. The man deal with it like a grandparent out for leave and I left good advice for the generation to follow. That is how humble the man deal with it, brother. That's why Vybz Kartel have reign and rule, because of him start him foundation rightfully. You get what I said? The rest of them young boy there when I know storm, a flip up and a flap. That's why them a go flap, because them a flip too much.
National hero Jamaican.
Kartel has blazed the path thus far.
Me, we are talking about me right now. Asian national hero.
He's opened the door for people like you though on the road.
No.
No, when him said no, if not open the door for him like on the road, the man said no. The man deny Christ like Peter. Same way them deny the DJ. You see it? The man said no, the man really make him mouth go say no. He might go downhill too, you know. He might go downhill. If him not learn fast, you see if him not learn fast, no soon starts to see him downhill process begin. You see me?
Kartel a legend. You see me? You might call him. You see me? But see we fling steel.
You're all them talk there. Him first, I say him a column. Then when Anthony Miller bring up the facts of Vybz Kartel are the biggest column. So we are talk about. So I show the people in my review when I want to go check out for my channel. Say that boy is just a go-go pole compared to the column where Kartel is. That boy is just a stripper pole.
So it's going to be you. You're the one of this generation who is going to do it.
Yeah. Asian national hero dancer.
Say people that
somebody when name Asian when can run something from Jamaica. Your name Asian. Go and go find your culture, brother, and go run that. And that you forgot run because your name Asian. I tell you, you see name have a lot to do with it. From here, Harry them a call Joshua. Then me I tell people say look out for Joshua make a change. The fact say him recognize himself as Joshua. And we know a Joshua story from the Bible. Then they may attach. And they may not be attached as well. Because Joshua can continue to play himself full and not tie himself. No way whatsoever with the story align with Joshua from the Bible. So, because everything's separated by a thin line, a very thin line, the highs from the lows, the good from the bad, the innocent from the guilty. Because the innocent will seem guilty till y'all say, no man, I must him. We don't must him. And the guilty one will seem innocent. But y'all say, no man, I can't him. And I him or a she. That's what I say. So, this is the thing there.
is the young dancehall star Asian in it. Get me and say, I don't know, Asian I do extremely well, but do you think that is the column that's holding up dancehall at this moment? Like, you know, him attitude towards the thing, you know, and him confidence stating that him I go run the thing. You don't know when the youth them speak, we never doubt when the youth them say. They're just them like they put the action for basically back up where them say still. But I want thing, you know, going for the interviews them a serious thing, you know, because the artist, the person we are interview, you always are trying to use it.
The boy a RICSTORM, you know, I hear them a call him shitstorm. Because guess what? In the army, him not feel it as a diss, you know, because if that me, would gladly see it as a compliment. Somebody a call me shitstorm when my name actually is RICSTORM. Because it's an army code that, you know, shitstorm. When the army say shitstorm, that means big problem, you know. Big problem. And you see, RICSTORM big one way, you see me? And him is a problem to the Gaza because him change now still, you know, him do much better as a vlogger now. But at one point, him never have no problem for be biased, blatantly biased. But now, him when he's being biased in these times, it's like him do it with one style. Where if you're not smart, you're not gonna see through him ways, you get me? But me have to respect RICSTORM still, or shitstorm, Cause I say me would accept the name Shitstorm, cause it's an army code for big problem. Like a missile out for blow up them place. Yo, we got Shitstorm coming. You know, Shitstorm is just an army code, an American army code for big massive problem where them have to resort to immediately. You see me? So enough boy I don't know that.
Bigger artists them fi set up the younger artists them, you know, so you have to be careful exactly why I say. But I think Shawn angle himself well, regardless of the claims them would make still my people. And also, you know, upon some just like regular stuff, would I see a teacher is basically, you know, disgruntled with the slang, mockers my people. And would I see where him basically teach him students them that, you know, them now have to subscribe to them type of degrading slangs them my people. And I love the whole argument and decide I'm going to share it with the audience my people. So take a listen at this.
Yeah, I actually like that video too, you know, with the whole mockers thing. I see the mockers thing as a new replaceable term for the word skettel. Cause remember, you know, skettel I run the road hard for over 2 decades now. People are say skettel, especially in the 90s. You see me? And when the man them did start call the girl them skettel, the girl them did forward with a word for the man them in the male version of skettel, right? The woman them forward with a word for replace for the male version of skettel where them say mantel. You see me? But that never stick. So nobody never really work with a mantel. One of you people used to say it in the 90s, you know, so that, like when you call a girl a skettel, say, skettel girl, move from here. So should I say, yeah, mantel, move. So you always have a male version and a female version. Every female version of its male version in the world, even in a nature. You see me? Even in a items what I'm selling at the store, if there's a male version, there's a female version as well. You see me? So yeah, the mantel thing never live on unless a mantel William show you watch. You see me? But yeah, that's the thing goes. Skettel last for decades. Now them find a new name for the skettel them. I must say mockers. But then right now to the girl them I call the man them mockers. When the girl them, cause the girl them say when them find a name, it must work back well like when the man them find a name for them. So here what the girl them start do. Cause when the man them go say skettel in the 90s and the girl them go say mantel and the mantel flap out, it die out fast. The man they never get for live for see the 2000, you see me? So when the girl them see the mantel thing no work and never live on, when the man them go so now and say, hey, ya war, you know, girl. The girl them just use back the same name now upon the man them instead of go try find a name for replace Zin, the female version of the name that the man them give them. So when the man them go say, yo, hey girl, you a war. She say, hey, that man they a war too. You see me? So now when the man them say, yo, them are mockers, the girl them say, that boy they are mockers too. You see me? Them not try to say, yo, them are rare walkers or something for try change it. I should have walkers to call them called W. And then the man them for name mockers. One thing. I shouldn't even help the ladies them find a name for degrade the man them. But I show fear still and know the game go.
Still, it is degrading, it is unbecoming of a female standards. Stop from society them nonsense. You're gonna lose yourself, you're going to lose yourself. Or I'm going to call a man good to that. Oh, you're mockers. And you're just oh, you're breast like that. Also, we don't call your picture. And you're breast that.
I'm going to tell you, see, you can't change the future, you know, because we're in the future now, you know. As them said, these are the days, these are the last days, are the fucking days when they can't trust police with them corrupt ways. Big up busy for that, see? Because him song now help me for review all these things we are going on, you see me? Yeah, and we're not ungrateful. Yeah, so once we use your product, we have to give credit where it's due, because that Gaza believe, you know, all when our worst enemy or our nemesis, we are gonna give them credit. Just like how we give credit to Alkaline where it is due. But then the Alka fans them see it as we rate Alkaline under the cover. We is not dancehall liar. That's why we tell the truth. So if Alkaline do some good song, Gaza go say yeah him do some good song. But them can't do the same. Them always a tell lie on cartel. So you see, so the Gaza way better than them. Gaza stand for truth, right, and justice. So me I say, look at Brando. See? Brando is a fear vlogger. See? That's why I'm thinking now shot so much, you know. Because him not really pressure them. One thing me da go tell you know. See? One thing me da go tell you. You see, the Gaza were more blessed than the rest. The other side people them, because watch this now. As I explained to you know, I'm explaining in a previous video. Say for years Footer hype a fight Cartel and I try to tear down the Gaza. And then like 6, 7, 8 years after the father bring one Kevin theme. And how me know that? Because I see the spiritual realm and I see the physical realm. See? Now watch. As me always tell you know, say you can use the physical world to determine what going on in the spiritual world. Because watch what going on. You see, one Kevin and Footer hype, them fairly look alike. You know, me say that again, because it's tough. You see, one Kevin and Footer hype, them fairly look alike. And that is how Earth find its rightful enemies and its rightful lovers. You get me? So when you find your right friend them or your right wife, or your wife find the right husband, them are gonna have some similar attachment to make them seem like even brother and sister when you look on them. Because anybody where you spend time around too much, you know, you're gonna rub off and look like them, you know. You notice how Chronics they start favor Kabaka and Protege and all of them start favor one person individually. When you look like upon one of them, it's like you see all of them. It's not because of them locks. It's because of the energy we attract. You see me, you start look like your friend them where you spend a lot of time with, and you start to adapt the talking, the speech is the same way with them talk. You start talk to more while. You have to strong and firm mentally, feet no rub off on you. You have to know for all your energy. But if it is of good that your friend them a do, feet rub off on you, then you should accept the energy so that it shine through you as well, because it's a good energy. You see me? So if you notice, one Kevin and Footer hype, them look alike. But yet still, they are enemies. Because the universe send one Kevin out directly for tear down Footer hype and for slaughter time in the combative process of the, you see me? This thing back and forth and black and forth, you see me? So yeah, black build a fort or a fortress. And black and forth mean, black now mean back. And fort always mean forward. You know what I mean? Yo, you see that? So that is energy that is attracting, because Gaza is a fort. We all know, say, Footer hype don't have no fort. Him don't have no fortress. And I'm care him sleep. Zine? Enough people say one Kevin sleep and I'm care. Alright, I could go on that, because we not see one Kevin place, right? But we know, say, the man now bring him house and him family to the public. So him wait till him lay a road or a certain place. And I believe, yeah, I believe I see one Kevin go live on yard recently too. You see it? I'm sure no say someone no see it. See, but I know say no for no go say no see it, because maybe you know tell the truth. Maybe you no really no see it. And maybe you not lie. So let's just stick to the fact, say, you no see it. Let's just say you no see it. Right? Still one Kevin against Footer hype, and them look alike. So this is how the universe works. Just like every super villain in the movie, every superhero have a super villain for combat with. Because, and that's how life always go. Right? You just have to watch the physical for see the spiritual. Even the TV world, you know, that is a world in itself, you know, the things that we watch on TV. Right? Oh, it tie back in a real life, because there's a lot of similarities, you know, with the TV world and with what go on in reality. Because for me always have some enemy, and when I grow past one enemy, then the next one come. And I realize that life is all about problem and goodness, good and bad. You're not going to ever end, the bad not going to end until you're gone in our next dimension and leave Earth. You see me? So we have to give thanks to the bad if you want for there long, because the bad things them not stop happening. You see me? No care how wealthy you are, no care how what you be. From your live, you're going to encounter problem very often. You see me? Yeah. So Just a way of working. Just a way of God putting us to work. And if you not face the problem them, then you're gonna lose out fast. You're not gonna live long. You have to, and you have to, if the problem is massive, because remember, them said drastic time call for drastic measure. So if the problem is big, you have to willing to get drastic now deal with that drastic problem there. And a lot of people are not willing to get drastic to deal with some of the issues, you know what I mean? Well, I guess that's why them have even police and Ray. But not every problem the police them can help you and assist you with. You see me? But stick to the point, say, oh, one Kevin forward for tear down one footer hype where them look alike. Because remember, I know a footer hype, they up on the media for years that tear down the Gaza, you know. So now the universe tired hype and time up because nothing lasts forever but salvation. So what you know, when the universe send out one Kevin and we see the sign, because them look alike, them wear the same hat, them black alike, them built alike, you see me, sort of like a swatty body, you see me, both of them need for exercise, no muscle, you see me. So this is how you know one Kevin was designed for defend the good and get rid of. And the universe send him, get rid of footer hype. So guess what go on now? Look at the powers within one Kevin. The universe make sure say one Kevin have the stronger voice because the universe knows them are go up and a shouting black and forth. Zin? So the universe make sure one Kevin have the stronger voice. Zin? For take on that challenge there. Even though a foot type little bigger in a body than one Kevin, you notice one Kevin have the stronger voice, and that is the weapon we need, is who have the stronger voice. You know, see, oh, Kevin voice beat them bad, make people a ball. I say, yo, him voice too loud, and them big voice, and the big voice, it get your enemies them, trample it, quake them. Is who have the louder voice, I go normally command an argument, you see me? So that him have the right sword, the right weapon, you see me? Kevin, so the Gaza never lose. That's why we cannot lose, you see me? And then look on Gaza uncle. Gaza uncle have the biggest voice. It make Gaza uncle have a bust so fast, you know, because him big voice capture people far, near, and wide, you know. You see what I say? So the big voice of the weapon where Gaza have. None of them. Watch and see from I say this now, because enough of them I watch my channel. Enough of the haters, them the Gaza haters, them I watch the channel, and them I go take from this and try rough up them voice now. But it no real. It's all a facade. And if you're not born with a real loud voice or the universe give you, because guess what? Just like in the Matrix, the movie, Neo, Trinity, and Morpheus was destined to win. You get what I say? They were destined to win. So I saw the guys are destined to win. The universe are gonna always give us all the necessities that we need for make it through the warrior. We're not short of nothing. That's why we cannot lose. We cannot lose. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. That's the thing there.
That's derogatory. That's a nasty term. But guess what? Because society has said that we have to embrace it. You don't have to embrace it. You don't have to embrace it. And if anybody of my class observe them, they don't come to class here, right? Don't come to class here, right? You must be people of standards, Don't tell me about muck. Don't tell me where you come from, Because where you come from in this world should not define who you are. It's really not like your ambition. That's how it is right now. That's how right on board. Because I go to them and understand how all these things are answered. We say standards, But they've been upset society and nonsense, right? You don't follow this side. The first time you hear workers, I'll see them officer and say, "Pull up here," and they laugh. Let me tell you, people have said anything. To be honest, people do accept those names. Females, for centuries, you have all been marginalized because previous societies have been male dominated. Stop. So, people, that is what the preaching are.
Yeah, so big up to that teacher there still. However, I never finish clear through with the whole foot hype and one Kevin thing and how the Gaza is destined to win. right? Because what you know, remember, you know, the timing, with the timing when the universe sent out one Kevin for become Footer Hype #1 enemy. And remember, you know, it's not about what Footer Hype says, it's about how the people them see it. Because the people them see one Kevin as Footer Hype enemy. And although Footer Hype, Father, aka Father Corruption, now call one Kevin name, you notice all of the vlogger them. All of the vlogger them. Anything what Foot Hype say, if one Kevin counteract it, the vlogger them are gonna play the counteraction because them see Kevin tied to Foot Hype as enemy. Them not just like Mario, theme enemy a warrior. You get me? Him evil twin brother. Then every star of a villain, a superstar of its super villain. Is me? And for enough of the superstar, them villain the war can't done because them bring down one and next one rise. Like even Batman, like even Superman, like even a real like live show instead of like comic movie. Like I go think about some live show now. Alright, we can even go the Bourne identity, we can go Shooter. You know, the government was Jason Bourne enemy. And you see some people have some greater enemy for face, you know, right? While some have some easier where them can't even manage to. Because of that, may I show you say you have the drastic time called for the drastic measure, right? So you have to gauge the attack and prepare for attack bigger than that, right? So yeah, so the universe make even Footer Hype mode twist up at the same time when Kevin I go at him. See, so I show you say them a lose. You can't win the Gaza. Alright, watch you know. There's always a thin line, I explain to you know, between winners and losers too. Come telling us that there's a thin line between high and low, good and bad. There's a thin line a lot of time between winners and losers. That is why you see some people that say, boy, I feel like Massacre win. But most of them know say Massacre lose, you know. But you still have some people that don't know if a judge a clash. See, because this is new for them. Right? But one thing you have to know is majority rules. That has always been the rule, the thing that lead mankind forward from ancient days. From the majority say, yeah, this we want, this we vote for, and them I go have to win. Just like in an election, the majority rules, and I saw it go. And when you check the big vlogger polls them, when you check Main Danger polls them, Sparta win. You check Terror Dan polls them, Sparta win. You check the fixed poll, Sparta win. You check all of the polls them were conducted at the clash. Sparta get the bigger votes. So majority rules. It's not about who wants say them thinks a Massacre win. You get me I say? The war done, Sparta win, beat mosquito to sickness. You see me? So you have to understand say the foot amount twist up same time and we get Gaza uncle in at the same time because you see the universe realize enough of them up against the Gaza, you know, and the universe knows the cartel go free. You see how much victory points that we have? We get Gaza uncle where everybody can stand, where Gaza hater, them can't stand him. And that is what makes you win in a life against your haters when them are the miserable one we cannot stand seeing or hearing you. When they're the one boiling up like the same wasp, right? Because we are the bees. We are make the money, I make the honey. The wasp, them now win nothing them no know for make. It's what I say, and we are lead. So I saw me telling you guys I cannot lose no time, no day, no way, no how. You get me? No where, when. You see me? Yeah, so we see that teacher y'all clarify the mockers thing and we like that. You see me? I think we already said enough about this mockers thing, yeah. But what we need for say is that, let me tell you see, these are the effing days, or the last days, whatever you want to call it, you see. You now can change enough of the things them we are going. You just have to prepare for live with it. Because you're not stressing yourself, you get me? This was ordained to be done, just like how the Gaza was ordained to win. And we are the sheep of his pastors. For his name's sake, yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I fear no evil. Thy rod with me, thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. Surely with blessing over me, cover my head with oil, my cup runneth over. Surely wisdom and mercy before me forever and ever. Amen. You get what I say? So we are the sheep of his pastors. Lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. Surely fellowship and goodness shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever and ever. Gaza. A war. Don't. Oh. So I may show you, we are the sheep. Them are the leopard. Not for them a pull up like sheep, but a leopard. Remember say me say God. Yes, so me say cartel see the light. You see the light, because if you pull up like a sheep, when you're a leopard, that means you're not for them on the Gaza. You see me? Because lone sheep them on the Gaza. And that, God adores. See him? But them call themselves vultures and crocodile and snake, and them call themselves mosquito, and them call themselves what else them call themselves? All type of monstrous creature. You see me I say? But them don't know say in a reality, the humblest win, and we suck the most milk. That's why Cartel wins so. From him first interview, the first shall be the last. The first is the last. So you see a first, you see how Asian start out? Now can be the last for stand the test of time. Because you don't have to know if you read the signs. Remember, you know, as I tell you, mankind once depended upon the signs of the time. Them read signs and wonder. Them read how the cloud look. Them read what somebody say. Because everything that you hear and that you see through your eyes and through your ears, you were meant to see it for a purpose, right? There's a reason why you never got to attend a party, because you weren't meant to be there, but all your friends got to go, but your parents stopped you because your eyes was never made to see that. Whatever it is, whether you're stuck at home that day, you were meant to see what you see at your home that day, because trust me, it have its purpose. A lot of times I need to explain something, and in order for me to explain it and to get it across, I have to use that day that I sat down at home. You understand?